we'll guide you through how to build a website with Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website at vercel.com and sign up for a free account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Vercel dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on the New Project button. Vercel allows you to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account, so select the repository that contains your website's code. If you haven't set up your code in a repository yet, you should do so before continuing. After selecting your repository, Vercel will automatically detect the framework you're using, be it Next.js, React, or any other supported framework. If it doesn't detect it correctly, you can manually choose the build settings. Now, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start building your project immediately. You'll see a progress bar that shows the deployment status. Once the deployment is complete, Vercel will provide you with a preview link where you can see your live website. If everything looks good, you can connect a custom domain by going to the Domains tab in your project settings. Type in your custom domain and follow the instructions to verify it. If you're using Vercel's DNS, the process will be straightforward. Remember, if you need to make changes to your website, just push the changes to your repository, and Vercel will automatically rebuild and redeploy the updated version. It's that simple. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.